25. Okay, so I just realized I picked an easy one for me to do. Okay, so DC is 5 cm, EAC is 40 degrees. Ready? And then so we have many angles here. In fact, did you realize that in triangle ABC we already have 2 angles. So actually we can find the third one. And in triangle ABC, again, we already have 2 angles. So we can find the third one. Okay? So maybe let's find the third one first. Okay? Because I think it must be useful. Okay? For the third angle. No. You shake your head. Okay. So in triangle ACD, angle ACD will be 180 degrees minus 50 degrees minus 100 degrees. Angle sum of triangle, which is equal to, I think it's 30 degrees, right? So I mean, this one is 30 degrees. Okay, and then for the other triangle, triangle ABC, angle ABC is 180 degrees minus 40 degrees minus 60 degrees. And it should be equal to 80 degrees. Am I correct? Thank you. So I mean this one, this angle is equal to 80 degrees. But I didn't read the question yet. Okay, what is the question? Asking us to find is the length of BC. BC belongs to triangle ABC. But we do not have any information about the lengths in triangle ABC. So we just have an information about length in triangle ACD. So we need to make use of this length information. Okay. So in order to find length, so we are going to use either the sine formula or the cosine formula. In this case, which formula should I use? Sine. Yes, because we have one pair of known corresponding length and angle, right? Okay, and then we can find the other pair. I just want to find the common side, AC. Okay, so I'm going to choose these 2 pairs of corresponding length and angle. The first one, the given one, is this pair. And then the second should be this one because I want to find AC. So I'm not interested in finding AD. So actually the 30 degrees is not used. Okay. So what sorry? What? Because the main target is to find EC, right? EC belongs to triangle A boy C. And I just need one more length in triangle A boy C. That should be the common side among these 2 triangles. Okay? AD is useless. Okay? So let us find AC here. AC divided by sine what? Should be, yes, 100 degrees. Is equal to the other pair. That should be 5 cm on the top. And then divided by sine should be 50 degrees. Am I correct? So AC is calculated by this line. And then it is equal to calculator. Should be 6.42 something, right? And this is not the final answer, so I will save this number to memory A. Okay? And now, what? Is it correct? Is it? Any problem? No, not correct. No problem. No problem. Okay. So this is memory A. And then we will go back to our target triangle. That is triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, now we have this length AC, and I want to find BC. So which formula should I use to sign again? Is it correct? Yes, because we have AC and the corresponding. Where are they? They also not open. Yes, it disappeared. It's 80 degrees, right? I don't know why it's like this. We have one pair. It's AC and 80 degrees, right? And then we have the 40 degrees and the question mark. Okay? So among the four things, we know three of them. So we can calculate the fourth one. So BC over sine 40 degrees is equal to AC. So that should be 4.62, 6.42. Sorry, my fault. Divided by sine. Yes, AC is okay, actually. And then you just use the memory A, okay? Don't type the long decimal number again. Okay, so it should be memory A divided by sine 80, enter, and then multiply by sine 40, enter. I think it should be 4.19 something, right? Okay, 5498156, and then as this will be the final answer, so we need to take how many? Is it 3 SF in this exercise? I need to check. Yes, 3 SF. Okay, thank you. So BC should be equal to 4.19, but we need to add 1. So it should be 4.20 cm. Huh? Are you correct? Follow? So I think you're okay for this type of questions, right? Okay, even though there are two triangles, okay, just need to solve them one by one. Okay, just need to find out which information is the information we need in which triangle. Okay, so now I'd like to give you maybe 8 minutes because we don't have so many 10 minutes in a single lesson. Maybe 8 minutes. And to work on 26 and 28. That's impossible for the too few questions. Classwork is supplementary exercise 9, question number 26 and 28. Should be 12:08 to 12:18. No, it's 8 minutes, 16. Try your best. Try your best. Can you see my words? No. Is it okay? Let's do number 26 and 28. I see some of you have no idea how to start. But so I just want to remind you one thing is that when there are more than one triangles in a diagram, so there is one step you need to think. You need to think which triangle should I choose, okay, to apply the formulas. Okay. For example, in part A, I want to find the length of AB. I need to think which triangle should I choose to apply which formula to find the length of AB. Okay, so AB belongs to triangle A boy dot, and also belongs to triangle A boy C. So you have two choices. You have two options to choose. Okay, and then you need to see which triangles provides more information for you to do the calculation. 得唔得？有多過一個三角形嘅話咧，你就要去揀究竟我哋而家咧係用邊一個三角形去到代啲公式入去啦。你睇下邊個三角形裏邊咧係有多啲 information 俾你嘅。Okay, so let's talk about 26. Part A. I want to find the length of AB. Okay, AB belongs to triangle A boy dot and triangle A boy C. Which triangle has more information for us to do calculation? So I think, well, actually, we have angle 1, angle 2, and then we can find angle 3 first, right? Angle BAC should be 180 degrees minus 80, minus 40. Okay, let us find this first. Angle BAC is 180 degrees minus 80 degrees minus 40 degrees, which will be equal to 60 degrees. Okay, and then in triangle ABC, the large triangle, you see that we have one pair of corresponding length and angle, because we have found that this one is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, and then if I choose this pair of corresponding length and angle, and then this one, the AB is corresponding to 40 degrees, right? And then we can set up sine formula, okay, sine formula to find the length of AB. So AB divided by sine 40 degrees is equal to 8 cm divided by sine 60 degrees. Okay, and then AB is just calculated by this line. And then AB is calculator. Should be 5.937817592. And because this is not the last part, so I'm going to save this answer to memory A. But this is the answer for part A. So we need to correct to 3SF. Should be 5.94 and write down the unit cm. Okay, so this is part A. Can you get this? And then part B. Find the length of AD. So let me copy and paste one more time for the diagram first. We have already found the length of AB. And we have found this to be 60 degrees, okay? And there's one more information. That's these two angles, these two blue angles are equal to each other. Did you notice this? Okay, because the question says that AD bisect angle BAB. Bisect means cut the angle into two equal parts. Yes. So these two parts will be equal to each other. Okay, and each of them will be equal to half of 60 degrees. That is 30 degrees. Okay, so let us write this down first. Angle point A dot. Angle point A dot is equal to angle CA dot is equal to 60 degrees over 2. That is 30 degrees. And this is the beginning of part B. Okay, and now we have this to be 30 degrees. And the question asks us to find the length of AD. Okay, and again, in a triangle, if we have found the first angle, we have the second angle, and we are able to find the third angle by using the angle sum of triangle, right? So angle A dot point should be 180 degrees minus 30 degrees minus 80 degrees. And that should be equal to 70 degrees, right? Okay, so we have found this angle to be 70 degrees. And now we have one pair of known corresponding length and angle. And then if I want to find the length of AD, I just involve this with the 80 degrees, okay, in the sine formula, right? Okay, so AD over sine 80 degrees is equal to AB over sine 70 degrees, where AB is the answer of part A. And I'm going to use the memory A in my calculator. So AD is equal to AB over sine 70 degrees times sine 80 degrees, okay? So AD will be equal to calculator. A times sine 80 and then divided by sine 70. I think it should be 6.22 something. Okay, as this is the final answer, so we need to take correct to 3SF. And write down the unit cm. So this is the final answer. Can you get the correct answer? 6.22. Okay, good. Have you done 28? Let's do 28. 有點會唔夠啊？2分鐘乜都夠啦，係嘛？ Do you really need so many break or rest? Yes. Okay, rest in peace. Pieces. Okay, just want to remind you that there is a homework due tomorrow. Tomorrow, okay? And but actually, I have opened the Math app, and you can choose. You can choose whether to submit through the Math app or through exercise book. All of that is okay. All right? Okay, let's take a break. Yes. Okay, let's continue tomorrow. Stand up. I would like to have a quiz on Thursday, the double lesson. Thursday, double lesson. What? Okay, which is all about chapter 9, the 4 formulas. Okay. So goodbye, class.